In this lecture, we'll discover the importance of absolute and relative cell references in Excel. Let's start by understanding relative cell reference first. Let's use an example for this. If the company of this employee wants to increase their salary, say by $3,000, it's simple. We can simply add that amount is equal to B2, the base salary, plus $3,000, the increment, plus make enter and copy it down. So this is a new salary, but look the reference. This is B3, and this one B4, this one B9. So the cell reference is changing for each employee. This means the cell reference is relative. It will change from time to time. How about the absolute reference type? This will be a fixed type. Let's use another scenario for this to understand it. If you want to increase their salary, say by 3% here, so we can enter a formula here. The formula B is equal to B2, that means the base salary, times the increment, that is 3%, plus the base salary. So this is the increment, and we can drag it down to see the effect. For the first salary it's okay, but the rest, as it is referencing an empty cell. So let's make this obsolete. Let's make it the cell reference obsolete. We can change it by pressing F4. So now it is absolute reference. Let's drag it again. So now it's working. It's referring F1. So the percentage increase as we need it.